We are now inside of YouTube.com, and we are actually inside of the screen where we actually upload our videos. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at one of our videos so that we can get a transcript. Now, the transcript is not going to be perfect, but if you need a quick transcript of something that you have done and you don't have time to outsource it, you can actually get the words from your video. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to this edit button. That's going to take us to the edit screen of our video. We're going to click subtitles and closed captioning. We're going to set the language for the transcription. That's English. We're going to click set language. Once we've completed that, we can now go to the video itself and we can now extract a transcription of the actual video. So if we go to the watch page of the video and we scroll down, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the more area. We can then click transcript. And then we're going to click this English button. That's going to give us the drop down arrow. We're going to click English. And then we actually have this transcription. And so to download it, all we would do is we would then left click and hold down to copy the entire text. And then we're going to copy it into a document. We can then copy the document inside of Google Chrome or Google Docs or any word processing document. Now again, this is not going to be a perfect transcript, but if you need something fast before you could have it outsourced, this is a great way for you to be able to get the text of an actual video that you have completed. Now, it's quite possible that you may want to gather the words from a video that is not yours. Now, you do want to be mindful of copywriting, and you also want to be mindful of crediting the actual creator of the video if you're going to use it in anything that you're going to be using for commercial purposes. However, what you can do is to come to the front of any video inside of YouTube and go through the same process that we went through with our video. We're going to click the transcript link. We're going to click the English transcript, and we're going to click automatic captions. And then we can actually go through the same process. We can actually then copy and paste the entire transcript. And again, all we would need to do is to paste the document inside of any word processing software that we are using. Now, this again is not going to be a perfect transcript. However, again, it's going to be a quick way for you to get to the actual text of a document if for some reason you are going to be using it in something that you are doing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.